Come here, buddy. Come here. Hello, I was wanting to talk about this Petco fully adjustable mesh harness for a dog. I guess it could go for a cat too if you get one of their smaller versions of this. It's fully adjustable, it's mesh, it's custom fit, breathable, which I really enjoy this being breathable, especially for during the summer months because there's very much little material coming in contact with your pooch. And as you see here, you can see that there's actual how it breathes and the mesh that's there, and very thin nylon that keeps them snug and it keeps them in. It has a extra little eyelet right here in case you wanted to attach a ID tag or a charm or any other kind of attachment that you might want to put on there. It has two different points to where you can either put your leash all the way up here close to the back part of your dog's neck, which would be right behind that collar, or if you were wanting to attach it to the back end, which would be closer to the mid part back. That way there is no choking. Actually, on either points of these, there's no choking with this at all. And then you have the clasps, your regular basic buckle clasp that goes right underneath. As you see, I have had this for about 7 or 8 years now, and it is just now starting to come apart. I'm still using it because it still serves this function. If I were handy, I guess I could sew this back on to here, just as simple as that. But they're so cheap, I think I'll just buy another one when it comes time. What I really enjoyed about it the very first time was these straps here that go around right behind the shoulders or right on top of the shoulders, and you're able to adjust this on both sides. Once you adjust it one time and you get it set to your pooch, you're pretty much good to go, and you never have to adjust it again unless your guy gains weight or if he loses weight. So what you can do is after you adjust that, you can literally snap these off so that they're not sticking out. I never snapped them off. He fluctuates, he does agility, so sometimes he's about 3 pounds over and sometimes he's about 3 pounds less than what he should be. So it depends on how much activity he is actually running around and doing. Yeah, like I said, during the summer months, this is perfect for the heat because it's hardly any material at all whatsoever on him, and they don't sweat. And well, they sweat, but it's easy. Kind of put it together with, like, say, an Under Armour type shirt or equipment or things of that nature. These are gunmetal finish, and as you see, they've held up this entire time and still looks like it's brand spanking new. And I have absolutely zero complaints about this. I'm going to be buying another one as soon as this one completely tears up. Like I said, I think 7 or 8 years that I've had this. So I'm going to show you how you can put it on, and yeah, we'll go from there. So you would just slip the open piece right over his head once you get everything adjusted. Leg, go on. And then it just goes right underneath this back portion here. And then that snap that I was telling you about is going to go in through here like this. And then it just snaps. So you see the snap right here, and that's where it snapped right around. And as you see that these pieces here that I was telling you can cut off, they don't bother him at all whatsoever. And then you got that good, snug, comfortable feeling here. So when you're walking, if you have the leash on his back portion, it doesn't really do anything. And then you can adjust it to this front portion so it's still there. And then taking it off is the same thing. You're gonna snap this right here, and it pops right off just like that. Leg, go all the way. And then you just slip it right over its head. And then you are good to go. That's how easy it is. Once you get it put on, you go through your adjustment period and you outfit it towards your pet to make it comfortable for them. Another good thing that I like about it, because it has these 2 points here, is that one of them, if I decide to leave the leash on when we're riding in the car, I can hook the other portion to the seat belt. So in case you get into an accident, your pooch isn't gonna go flying all around the car, and it keeps them safe, it keeps you safe. It's just another added piece of safety. I highly recommend this. Once again, it is the Petco adjustable mesh harness. They come in all different sizes, all different colors. I've seen them in green, I've seen them in pink, I've seen them in white, I've seen them in multiple colors, not even just a solid color. And they go all the way up to extra large dogs as well, all the way down to your teacup size to extra small. Extremely happy about this, and there you go. Oliver's happy about it too.